Welcome back to the Brookville Cooking Show. The FCS group worked hard to make delicious English muffin pizzas. Here are the ingredients and steps needed to make these items, along with a picture of the final product. These are the many steps the students took to make the pizzas. Stay tuned for more at-home cooking recipe videos.